Hi lovelies! So I have to be honest with you, as the weather outside heats up, my motivation to cook really slows down, which is why these days I'm always on the hunt for really easy recipes that I can throw together ahead of time and then just serve up when my family is feeling peckish. And that is why this Southwest quinoa salad is such a huge hit. You can make it in a nice big batch and then it will last in the refrigerator for 3 or 4 days. It's perfect for lunch and dinner, and it's really hearty and satisfying, but full of good for you ingredients. So even though you could technically call this dish a salad, I really love it because it honestly eats like a meal. It's super filling, has great texture and color, and it happens to taste absolutely amazing. Now to get started, we are going to be mixing up a simple homemade dressing for this salad. This is my chili lime dressing. It's really easy to make and it doubles as a marinade. So if you wanted to use it as a marinade instead for something like chicken or beef or shrimp, it works really, really well. Now to get started, I have got some avocado oil in my bowl. If you don't have avocado oil, you could definitely use some canola or vegetable oil if that's what you had on hand. I wouldn't recommend olive oil here though, because the flavor is a bit too strong. You want something that's a little more mild. To my avocado oil, I'm going to be adding some lime juice. I love lime this time of year. It's so bright and fresh and citrusy. It just makes everything so summery tasting, right? It's got a nice tartness to it. And I'm just going to squeeze that lime juice right into my oil. I love doing this with a citrus press. It just makes life in the kitchen so much easier. Now to offset all that tartness, I also want to add some sweetness here. I'm doing that with a little bit of agave syrup. If you don't have agave, honey would be a great substitute in this recipe. Next, I'm going to add some chili powder to this. And then I want to season it liberally with some salt and pepper. Give it a whisk, and you have an absolutely amazing salad dressing that also doubles as a really good marinade if you're looking for something to marinate your chicken or your fish with. Now that our dressing is prepared, it is time to bring all of this goodness together. Now the base for this salad is a protein-packed quinoa. I absolutely love quinoa because it's really easy to make, and like I said, it's got a ton of great plant-based protein. I'm using a tri-colored quinoa, but you can use any kind of quinoa you want. But if your family is not so into quinoa, you could also swap in some cooked rice, or really any sort of cooked grain in this recipe would absolutely work. You just want to cook it completely and then let it cool before adding the rest of your ingredients. Now for even more great protein and a good hit of fiber, I'm going to be adding some black beans to this. I'm using canned black beans that have been rinsed and drained. I'm gonna get them right into my bowl. Next, it's time for some color and some great crunch. So to do that, I've got some red bell pepper headed in here. I've also got some corn kernels. These are frozen kernels that I just let thaw out completely. You could use fresh if you wanted to. And I'm also going to be adding some mango to this because it's sweet, but it's also a little bit tart. It's got great texture, great color, and it's such a perfect complement with all the other flavors happening in here. And then finally, speaking of flavor, I wanted to get some more happening with a little bit of red onion. So I'm going to get all of that into my bowl, and then I'm going to pour my dressing right over top. Don't be shy with your dressing. It's really the secret to making. Whoa! We averted disaster. Wouldn't be my kitchen if I wasn't dropping something, breaking something. I'm a little clumsy in the kitchen. You might not know that about me. I'm just going to give it a good toss, and this yumminess is ready to be enjoyed. You can have it immediately or store it in the refrigerator for 3 or 4 days. It's perfect as a side dish for things like steak, chicken, or shrimp, or you can enjoy it all on its own with some sliced avocado, cilantro, and a little bit of fresh lime like I do as a really quick and easy lunch option. With this recipe, guys, there is honestly just so much to love, and I hope you'll give it a try for yourselves. If you do, be sure to tweet me, Instagram me, or Facebook me a photo, because you know how much I love seeing your kitchen creations. Keep in mind that this recipe, like all of my recipes, can be found on healthymealplans.com, our amazing meal planning site that allows you to browse more than 1,000 recipes, drag and drop them into your weekly meal plan, and then automatically generates your grocery list for the week. It's a great site that will definitely make your life at home easier, which of course is what we are all about here. And finally, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe because there is lots more deliciousness where this came from.